I replaced 50% of my job with AI, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. I'm a creative director, so a content manager for 7-figure brands. I'm currently the content manager for Search Guitaria. What I do all day, every day is go look for ideas, scripts, titles, thumbnails, competitor research. Half of it now is done by AI agents that I built. In this video, you are going to be seeing the actual system, including what AI can do and what AI cannot do. This is the front end of the system. These are outlier videos that the agents have been able to pull all over YouTube. The reason why this is not the same as vidIQ or 1 of 10 is because this is tailored to my taste. These are the agents working in real time, fetching more videos to add to the library of videos. This is a swarm of 150 agents. I can get them to do any single thing I want on YouTube. I know some of you might be thinking, why is this guy going all in on AI and doing all of this crazy stuff? I'm going to show you guys in 3 different phases. Just as a disclaimer, every video like this will be trying to sell you on something, but I'm not here to sell you on anything. I just want to show you that the possibility of a one-person content team is already here. You might be missing out if you are not implementing this in your own business. I bought 23 million tokens and scanned over 5,300 videos on YouTube across 3,000 plus channels. I'm doing all of this because I'm a CS major and I have a very good background in programming. So it's easy for me to use AI agents to solve my day-to-day problems. The first phase, which is what I 100% automated with AI, what I have automated with AI, and what stays human. And you might want to stick through to watch that third part just because that is where the money actually is. This is phase 1, the fully automated phase. This is the research department. Usually, a junior strategist would have to go on YouTube every single week to scroll on YouTube, get outliers, get insights, and send it to me. The agents go on YouTube, they pull every video from a YouTube channel in any niche that I requested them to pull, and then they score which ones beats the channel average views, which are, in other words, the outliers of the channel. They download the transcripts, they download the thumbnail of the winners only on this channel, and then they send me a brief of proven titles, how the winners open their hooks or open their videos, and the thumbnail system that they use. He pulled out these videos and he told me, okay, these are the outliers on these videos, these are the outliers score from these videos. For a human to do this for 8 channels is going to take weeks, we all know. But then these agents are doing it while I made coffee. Like, I'm shooting this video now, but then these agents are in the background cooking. They are still cooking in the background, by the way. We live in an era where AI can do the job of 5 persons. Like, for instance, now, AI can do the research of 5 junior strategists. But then there's one caveat to it. AI cannot replace the taste of 5 different persons. And that is the reason why I'm achieving results for my clients. This is the phase 2 of the system, which is half automated. This is where the scripts, the titles, and the packaging drafts live in. The titles are generated from formulas that are already won. Back to the front end of the system now, these are formats, and then these formats are proven to work across YouTube. It means that videos that use this title formats went viral more on YouTube. These reports are not reports of 1 week ago, 1 month ago. They are reports that are working today. If something new should pop up today, it's going to pop up on this platform, just because my agents are working 24/7 to make sure of that. And the second big thing is scripts. These agents will draft scripts against the retention structures of real winning videos. They'll be giving you scripts, but then these scripts will be coming from real-time YouTube videos that are working, that are proving to work. So all you need to do is sit down and maybe change up a few words in the script, or tell the agents, okay, this is my tune, or give the agents your YouTube channel if you have existing videos on your YouTube channel, and the agent will learn how to speak like you and tailor the script exactly the way you would have said it. But then that is not the last part of it. When AI agents write for you, most of the time, this is the outcome. AI will draft 70% of the script. But then the 30% is where people feel like something is missing. That remaining 30% is where you now put your own efforts, because that 30% is what makes someone actually feel something when watching the video. When AI drafts the script in minutes, I write the hooks by hand, and then I cut everything out that sounds like everyone else, just because AI would always give you output that sounds like everyone else. So you have to tailor it to sound like you, exactly like you, just because even if you give AI a bunch of your content from YouTube, other people too can take those contents from YouTube and give it to another AI, and the AI will also sound exactly how it sounded for you. Usually, it takes me 4 hours to draft 1 to 2 scripts for my clients, but now it takes just 40 minutes just because AI does it. The only thing I have to do is just to tailor it so it sounds exactly like the person speaking on the camera. And then this is the third phase that stays 100% human. And this is what my 23 million tokens that I burnt on Claude Code could not buy, which is one, picking the idea. Agents know what works for everyone, but they don't know which one fits the founder best. They are able to get me thousands of data in minutes, but then they don't know what I want to use. The good thing about it is they get me the data that I need specifically, so I don't have to drown in the noise on YouTube. Now, the second thing that my agents cannot do is taste. They can't give taste, they can imagine, or they can only speculate, but they don't know exactly how humans will react to the message or the assets that they are writing. As I'm training my agents, currently, they are now better at having better taste. That sometimes I don't even have to change up some things or maybe correct some things just because I've been working with these agents for the past 6 weeks plus. And then the third thing is accountability. An agent will not notice your output slipping or pull you out of your own bottleneck. So when the agents are kind of like going on tangents or trying to over process things or over analyze things, you tell them, no, you don't need to over analyze this particular topic because it should be as simple as this. So if you're a founder, flip this video around. Hiring for content is no longer how many people. It is, does one person have the taste to run an entire machine? So you just need one person that can have the taste to do the job of 5 persons, and you are good. Also, if you're like a content or a creative person like me, one thing I will tell you today is whatever it is you do, if you have taste, that is where you win. All you need to do is orchestrate AI agents to help you do the boring work, and then save yourself more time and go build on your taste. As I told you guys earlier on, I'm teaching my agents how to get better taste. They keep learning every single time I correct them on something, and then they don't make the mistake again because they save it, they store it to their memory, and they never forget. The taste part will also soon be taken over by these agents, and those that will end up winning in the future are those that actually know how to orchestrate these agents, or those that are behind these agents that give these solutions to business owners. That is the system. The research is automated, the drafts are half automated, and the judgment is 100% human. So just to wrap up, I'm going to be showing you guys in my next video how this system works in real time and how it functions. So if you want to see that video, I suggest you log in, subscribe, like this video, share it so YouTube can recommend or show you my video when next I drop the next video. Ciao.